There's been so much going on and it's all come together, and now the speakers have started arriving and it's all feeling really real. So I guess that means it's happening. There's just going to be so much happening. We've got amazing speakers, obviously. Tony, Julian Richards, Phil I just saw come in. The Vikings are outside. The food festival is setting up. The pub is slowly inflating as we're watching. But all in all, you can just feel that everybody is coming together to make this day spectacular.
But also allowing people then to go from the lecture theatre to come out and actually see archaeology in action, drones in action, ground penetrating radar in action, so they can actually see all facets.
DigNation is doing something I think Mick would love to have seen. It's not confined to university pods, people from various backgrounds are getting involved, and that's what's exciting.
I mean, it was one of those things I felt I had to come.
There's obviously lots of people here engaged with it, and lots of people online as well. So, hello.
You know, Lisa and I had this idea a couple of years ago, and I don't think in our wildest dreams we could have imagined that it would go down as well as it has. Everybody got to their feet and applauded. They were just applauding the whole thing, the whole event, all the emotions.